Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today we're going to be doing a wig video. So the wig I'm showing you guys today is from Bookivyp hair. And if I'm looking over there, you guys, it's because I'm looking in my viewfinder. But this is their Wet and Wavy wig. Now this wig is 24 inches and it is a lace frontal wig. So it is a lace frontal in the front, and in the back is the actual tracks. Now when you first get the wig, it does come with transparent lace, and this is like a transparent Swiss lace, but I did notice that they made the lace a lot, it's a lot thinner, so it's gonna melt a lot better. And I did have to tint my lace. If you guys want to see how I tint my lace, I did do a whole video on it, and I'll actually leave that linked below. But like I said, you do have to tint the lace, and I did already go in and tint my lace, and I bleached my knots. Now the wig did come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit on my own. Okay guys, so what's so special about this wig is that this wig is a wet and wavy wig, okay? So when you first get this wig, it comes straight, just like this. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see it. These are the ends, and like I said, I do have this in a 24 inch. So this wig does come straight, which I was like, oh, that's really cool. It's really straight, and it has like a nice texture, you guys. When I review these affordable wigs, you guys, I don't usually say they're like the highest of quality, because of course, if you're buying a cheaper wig, you don't expect it to last years and months or whatever like that. But this hair is actually a lot better quality than a lot of the other wigs I've had in the past. The hair is a really good quality. Like I've been working with hair for like over 10 years, you guys, and I could just feel it. And with everything that's going on right now, like, it's really nice to have like a versatile type of wig. So this wig comes straight, so you can straighten it and curl it, and you can also go ahead and wet it so it could become a deep wave curl. So I don't think I'm gonna glue this wig down. I think I'm gonna wear it like in a glueless way, so you guys can see, you know, how to maneuver around your wig glueless. And I'm gonna put some curls in the hair just so I can test and see how the hair curls, so you guys can know before I go ahead and co-wash it, because I'm really excited to see the full curl pattern of the hair pop out. Okay you guys, so I have my wig on, and basically you just want to make sure your wig is lined up from ear to ear. Now I'm going to take these scissors. I got these from Amazon. I will have them linked below. I really like these for my wigs because they're nice and they're sturdy and super sharp. So I'm just gonna go in and cut the lace. You want to make sure you're moving your hand back and forth so you don't have a lace that is you know, straight across or jagged looking or anything like that. As you guys can see, this wig literally melts into my scalp. So this is what your wig looks like, the inside of it. It did come with combs, but I do cut those out. And it also comes with adjustable bands right there. So yeah, you guys, I did cut off all of the lace. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair, but not too much, you guys, because I don't want a whole lot of baby hair. The wig does come already with baby hair, but it's kind of a lot, so I'm just gonna pull a few of them out here because I don't want it to be too much. We don't want it to be too much baby hair because, like I said, I'm trying to keep this like a glueless type of wig. So I'm gonna actually cut my little baby hairs. And I'm gonna use my little edge brush just to like brush the hairs into place. Like I said, I don't want too many baby hairs, I just wanted a few. And if they look a little bit too long, I'll just go back in and cut a little bit more. But I don't want a lot of baby hair at all on this unit, because like I said, I'm trying to keep this unit glueless. So yeah. This is how the unit is looking after I did the baby hair. And like I said, you guys, it's not glued at all. If you do plan on wearing your wig glueless like this, I do recommend sewing an elastic band onto your wig, just so everything could stay nice and tight and in place. So now I'm gonna actually go in and do some curls in the hair, just so we can see how this thing curls, okay? Because yes, I really like if I'm able to wear it straight and curl it, and also wear it in its wavy curly state. So right now I'm gonna be using my curling iron from Slay Station, and you guys, I absolutely love this. This curling iron is so unique. It's kind of like a curling iron and a curling wand all in one, and it really cuts down the time on curling. You just place your hair in it and you just rotate it, and it works. Look at that, you guys. It works so cool. Like, I absolutely love this curling iron. If you guys are interested, I will have it linked below. This curling iron is black owned. I actually know the girl that owns the company, and she's great. She's so professional and so talented. She does hair as well. So yeah, you guys, definitely go support her and check out these awesome curling irons. They work so good, you guys. Like, if you have issues with curling your hair, you know, like a pro or whatever, definitely check out this curling iron. It works amazing, you guys. Look, y'all seen that curl. Like, these curlers work so good, and this hair, you guys, is curling really good. I really like how easy this hair curls. And after I'm done curling, you guys, I'm gonna go in and co-wash the hair, because I really want to know what it's gonna look like in its curly state. But right now it's curling so good, like really good. So I'm just gonna give up here like a little bit of curl. Yes, you guys, this hair curls so good. Like, that's crazy. It holds a really good curl. So I'm just gonna put a few more curls in it before I actually go co-wash it. You guys, these curls, y'all, what? Look at that curl. Now I'm feeling like I want to curl my hair all over instead of wearing it in the wavy state. A few seconds. You guys. You guys, I didn't even curl the whole head. Now, I know I ain't curled all the way, but y'all get the idea. Like, this hair holds a really nice, cute curl. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is co-wash it, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I just wet the hair, and I can already see the curls kind of popping out or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is just brush it out, and this is the texture I got right now. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and diffuse this hair, because I actually have somewhere to go. And if y'all don't have one of these, definitely get y'all a diffuser. I use a GBP Pro from Sally's. If you guys want to try this out, I will link it below. And then I'm gonna diffuse mine on high, okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna continue to dry this, and I'll be back when it's all the way dry. But you guys can kind of see the wave popping out or whatever. So once it's all the way dry, I'll be right back and show you guys the end result. So this is the little look I came up with. Y'all know me, I'll do a flip over any day, anytime, because I love how they look. I think it compliments me. And I really like the texture, you guys. And some people might like a wig that's like thicker, but honestly, I love this density. I think it's like the perfect density if you want to like straighten and curl your hair, because some wigs can be super thick to the point of where ain't nobody finna flat iron it. But this is like the perfect density. It's not too thick or too thin. The hair doesn't tangle, and it's really soft. Definitely different from a lot of my other wigs. I really like this wig, y'all. Like, it is so cute. It's perfect for back to school, whenever we go back to school and work, because you can you know, it gives you two looks in one. You don't have to keep the same look, and it is really easy to flat iron and curl this hair and then revert it back to its wavy type of state. If you guys are interested in this wig, definitely check the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. The curling iron I use will also be linked below from Slay Station. So thanks again for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb me up and subscribe. You guys, I'm trying to make it to 1 million. If it'll ever happen. Like, give me my million. Give me my flowers. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below. Let me know if you like this wig or if you don't like it, whatever. Let me know below. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.